Hello! One of UpgradeMate's most powerful features is its advanced dashboard, built on Power BI. This dashboard is tailored specifically for UpgradeMate's architecture and is located in the middle section, allowing us to keep track of installations. The first step in using UpgradeMate is starting a scan. On the left side, you'll find a section where users can successfully complete installations using a form. On the right side is our dashboard. At the bottom, there's a space for viewing machine-specific details related to the charts displayed. Let's begin on the left side. This is the scanning section, where scans have been completed on a total of 4,743 machines. Here, you can identify the machines that couldn't be scanned and can't proceed with the installation process due to various errors. You have the ability to check these errors and resolve the problems directly from this area, such as machines that can't be upgraded because of insufficient hardware. This includes issues related to TPM, secure boot, or inadequate memory. Similarly, you'll find machines here encountering app or storage problems. Clicking on any of them provides more detailed information. At the bottom of the page is a section that displays how many machines were scanned each day. Once the scan is complete, we advance to the second stage of UpgradeMate, the Upgrade section. Here, users are presented with a form, and they are expected to click through and complete the installation. A total of 4,723 users have completed their installations. There are various scenarios present, like whether the installations went smoothly or if the forms mandated the installation. You'll also find sections with more advanced options. On the right, there's a section showing the total installation time. For instance, 1,193 machines completed installation within 30 minutes. Right below that, you'll find data on the number of machines that started the upgrade process each day. The middle section serves as our main tracking area. Of the 4,954 machines, 4,723 have completed their installation, and you can see how these are divided by operating system. You can also click on any part of the screen to filter the data. Now, let's examine the details for a sample machine record. For example, when we select this machine, we can see that its scan was completed on April 4th. The user was shown the form 10 times. Installation occurred once, and the postpone button was clicked 3 times. After selecting the installation option, you can see the last time the form appeared, and that the installation began on April 9th and was completed in about 29 minutes. This allows you to obtain very detailed information. If you scroll to the right, you can also view additional details, such as whether the machine is currently on or which user last logged in. Thanks a lot for listening. Hope to see you at our next session.